Now we have here Nana, and she is sanding down the primer on these fenders. What were these fenders like when you started on them, Nanny?
They were full of lumps and bumps and...
They were pretty rough, weren't they?
Real rough.
Yeah, and as you can see, she's worked all the dents out of these fenders, and she is now sanding down the primer, and we'll probably prime them again. And we put some heavy coats of primer on where there was little places, little nicks and stuff. But you really like doing this stuff?
Oh, I love it.
You do?
Yeah.
But you're 70 years old.
So?
Well, you will be in a couple days.
So? I still love it. Better than housework.
Well, I just wanted people to know that I wasn't making you do this.
No, heavens, no. I love doing it.
Okay, well, while you're doing that, I got something else to be doing. So,
okay.
Yeah, there's the other fender that you repaired, and that one was really rough too. Had dents all over it. Well, she's working on that one, of course. She saw her welding on that one. But these are typical of what they've been like. You know, pretty darn rough. Yeah, look at that. That's about like the rear ones were. And she's just over there standing away on these things. She's done a marvelous job on these. But she's been doing this for, excuse me, how long have you been doing this kind of stuff?
Oh, about 40 years.
About 40 years?
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty awesome. You don't do it all the time, though, do you?
No, not all the time.
Just kind of off.
I did when I was younger.
Yeah. Well, anyway, you can go back to sanding now.
Bye.
Bye.